guys, now welcome to my video. Now I will morning. You can see my face. This morning. And my voice. And now I will be showing you my reading hate comments. Okay, let's get to the video. First to get myself in there. Carry on. Why you're so selfish? Okay. The fact is, why are you so selfish? I'm selfish because my family ships me upload to the YouTube channel, and that I'm selfish. This is the next one. Why are you so unmanageable? Because you guys tell me about me. You can pa-upload kayo ng pa-utos-utos kayo ng video sa akin, and nung na-upload ko para sa inyo. Kasi dito pa man ako, ayaw niyo naman, nahihiya ako. And next one. Kentoy Paltingka. Ito din siya yung nasa YouTube din. Kentoy Paltingka. Wow, you're so beautiful. Yes, I'm so beautiful. You can hear the sound from school. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. And I don't have class today because my mom dad is that. I don't know. And ano bang bago? Hindi pa ako naliligo ang bago. And ayun na lang reading hate comments, and meron din good na comment pero isa lang, pero dalawa nag-hate comments sa akin. Pero guys, wag na po kayong mag-alala kasi kumusta nga po yun sa tao na naghihilati po kayo ng galit. Wag niyo pong ipapakita. Nakakaya po yun. Warning po. And subscribe to my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you want more video. Bye. Wait. You can install from the Play Store braces, and you like false, and you like just like your teeth, and you can brace it, and you can your eye, your hair, your lip, and that is so berry. And I got sure make you have a Facebook account, Twitter, Instagram, and that. And bye guys, and subscribe, like, comment down below, and then not hate comments, and bye.